Right there. Well, we have live pictures from the Exchange Limited, where the UK Foreign Secretary of State is speaking and addressing members at the exchange there. We see broadcasts.
And appreciate the British ambassador here. He has been a jolly good fellow. Himself and his team, they are very good friends of NGS. I want that to continue. But now, like it's been said, I don't want to take too much time. As been said, we're in a new political era. We're in an era where we are in a hurry to develop our economy. We're in a hurry to empower our people. We're in a hurry to do so many things. I will now look forward to British Embassy, British government, all the Commonwealth to support us. So that don't just call us giant of Africa for nothing. Call us giant of Africa for leading in the right direction economically. You are welcome and thank you for coming. The chairman of NGS and the CEO, I want us to sing a family song for this August visitor and the timber and caliber that they brought here today. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Foreign Secretary, the British High Commission, and your team. It is indeed a privilege to lead in this family song rendition. We only sing this song because the people that will listen to it or even participate in it mean business to us. In other words, they have value. And so we're not just going to sing it because we like singing, but because we mean it. And so, indeed, it's a pleasure having you. So as we sing, by the joining of our hands, everybody please don't get disconnected, because it's a symbol of our unison and our bond. My hand is free. So, after 1, 2, we'll sing. 1, 2. For they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows. And so say all of us.
All right, there, like I said earlier, live pictures there from the Nigerian Exchange Limited. My colleague Effiong Ekop is also there live there. The UK Foreign Secretary of State, of course, addressing the market. Oh, there's going to be ways to deepen trade and, of course, synergize with both countries, particularly at this time. You can't ignore what happens in the global space, what's been happening in global markets. So for somebody like this dignitary to be coming into Nigerian Exchange Limited, I think it also further brings that issue of confidence back into our market, seeing visitors like this at the exchange. Well, Effiong Ekop will give us more details in his reports that will run subsequently on our bulletins. Let's tell you before we wrap up that stocks were mostly resilient and all over near recent highs today as investors stayed positive over global economic prospects, even as data showed signs of risk. European stocks fell 0.2%, stepping back from a 2% gain in July, its second month of gains. UK stocks edged up 0.1%, HSBC climbing 2.6% after announcing $2 billion share buyback and raising its key profitability targets. Wall Street Futures Index were set to open flat. The MSCI's World Equities Index, which tracks shares in 47 countries, fell 0.1% after gaining 3.5% last month. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares inched backwards, while Japan's Nikkei provided support, gaining on the back of a weaker yen. The British Retail Consortium report shows food price inflation has slowed to its lowest level this year as prices of oils, fish, and breakfast cereal falls. Nielsen Shop Prices Index shows food inflation declined to 13.4% in July, down 14.6% in June, the third consecutive slowing and its lowest level since December last year. Overall, shop prices were 7.6% higher in July than a year ago, slowing from 8.4% in June and also the lowest level this year. PRC's Chief Helen Dickinson says the figures were cause for optimism, but warned of supply chain issues ahead. She said Russia's withdrawal from the Black Sea Grain Initiative and targeting of grain facilities, as well as rice export restrictions from India, were dark clouds on the horizon.